Ever wondered why the MSI Titan 18HX AI crushes every gaming rig? Ever felt like your laptop is holding you back, throttling your epic raids, or dragging on renders while the competition laps you? That nagging lag turning triumphs into tragedies. Share a wild gaming fail in the comments if this hits too close to home. It's the sneaky sabotage that makes you question if your setup is secretly rooting for the other team. Now crank up the agony. Deadlines devouring your weekends. Stress spiking like a bad overclock. Burnout hitting harder than a boss wipe. Your rig sputters under load, turning passion projects into pixelated nightmares. But hold on, what if one machine could flip that script? Envision dominating without the desk-bound chains or endless tweaks. Behold the MSI Titan 18HX AI, the beastly 18-inch juggernaut that's rewriting the rules for gamers and creators, packing Intel Core Ultra 9-285HX brains and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 muscle into a black chassis that screams total dominance. Imagine a streamer, mid-marathon, chaining two 4K 240Hz monitors via Thunderbolt 5 without a stutter. The mini LED UHD Plus display exploding with vibrant HDR colors and 120Hz silkiness that pulls you into the fray. Or a VFX wizard hauling 6 terabytes of RAID-0 NVMe SSD storage, rendering complex scenes on the go while the 96 gigabytes DDR5 RAM juggles AI models like confetti. Wi-Fi 7 blasts downloads at warp speed. The Cherry MX mechanical keyboard clicks with satisfying precision under RGB glow, and the advanced vapor chamber cooling whispers cool air even as fans roar like victory engines. Energy-efficient NPU handles AI tweaks effortlessly, from auto-framing your webcam to sharpening edits in seconds. Feel that electric thrill, the deep bass thrum from Dynaudio speakers, the buttery glide of the haptic touchpad. This isn't mere hardware. It's a portable desktop rebellion, weighing in at 7.93 pounds, yet flexing desktop-level fury for Windows 11 Pro Pros. Why chain yourself to a tower when this Thunderbolt 5 Titan, with Bluetooth 5.4 and up to 4 SSD slots, unleashes 175-watt RTX 5090 ray-traced glory at 4K? Thousands are already enslaved, praising its unmatched storage flexibility and extreme data speeds. Quick win. Hang tight for the overclock whisper that one pro swears shaved minutes off load times. If you're wrestling weak frames or workflow woes, this could rewrite your legend. Fast forward to freedom. Efficiency explodes as you laser focus on wins, not waits. Picture your squad syncing seamlessly via Wi-Fi 7, rendering farms obsolete while performance peaks like a perfect headshot. That intoxicating rush of max AAA titles in ray-trace splendor, the subtle hum of sustained boosts without thermal tantrums. A top hardware outlet raved. The MSI Titan 18HX AI delivers chart-topping performance, an exceptionally vibrant screen, and all the technology you can dream of. An industry analyst called it a halo product that defines the brand's technological ambition, trickling elite engineering to the masses. Influencer heat? A tech streamer gushed in their vid. I've used every world's most powerful laptop, and the Titan 18HX is in a league of its own. Streaming 4K while maxing AAA titles is seamless. The AI auto-framing webcam a stream savior, and that mechanical keyboard turns editing marathons into joyrides. Real talk from users. A VFX artist beamed. This replaced my desktop workstation. I run simulations and render on the go with staggering speed, carrying all projects in 6 terabytes bliss. A hardcore gamer added. The 4K 120Hz mini LED is a game changer. Vibrant contrasts make worlds pop. RTX 5090 crushes ray tracing at max without frame dips. A developer quipped. The NPU and RAM let me test massive AI models locally, more powerful than servers from years back. A workflow revolution. Even skeptics nod. Loud fans? Sure, but they herald beast mode. Short battery? Plug in for the throne. See why enthusiasts can't quit buzzing about this. Which beast perk? The blistering 6 terabytes loads or AI accelerated edits would conquer your chaos. Spill below. Let's geek out. Doesn't that future-proof fire feel hypnotic, like outgunning tomorrow today? Spots vanishing fast on these RTX 5090 Titans. Join the elite squad of creators and gamers who've ascended to unthrottled glory. One reviewer whispered, "It's the ultimate no-compromise beast, hands down the best 2025 laptop." Snag yours before they're relics. Unlock the exclusive MSI Center overclock ritual that maxes your edge and claim desktop dominance on demand. Comment yes if you're primed for the power surge. Dive in now, transform your game, and leave the lag in the dust.